Drinking warm water in the morning with a few drops of lemon and honey is best known as weight loss drink. Even many people believe that drinking warm water all day can help reduce weight. Well, drinking only warm water without a proper diet and exercise won't help you lose weight. And with a proper diet and proper exercise, you don't need to drink warm water the whole day. Drinking room temperature water can also keep you hydrated, detoxified, and regulate all your bodily mechanism. Hello everyone and welcome to All Lite Food, and in this video we will talk about the cold water and hot water, which is good for your health, and my personal experience of drinking hot water for weight loss. Water is one of the essential things for the functioning of our body, as our body uses the water in all the cells, organs and tissues to help regulate its temperature and other essential body functions. When we drink water, it goes to our stomach, then to the small intestine, where it is absorbed by the intestinal walls and goes directly into the bloodstream to be used by the body organs. Well, there are different discussions and opinions on which temperature water is good for our body. While some people talk in favor of cold water, others prefer drinking warm water. And one of the main reasons to choose warm water over cold water is that when we drink cold water after a meal or during a meal, the cold water passes through our digestive system, making the fats from the food to solidify. And due to this reason, it becomes difficult for the body to absorb and excrete the fat out of the body. Whereas some studies show that drinking cold water can actually eliminate the body fat. And how does it work? As our body burns a lot of calorie in the procedure to warm the cold water and to balance with our body temperature. On the other hand, drinking warm water can help to break down the food more efficiently, making it to digest faster. Drinking warm water in the morning detoxifies the body, keeping it hydrated for a longer time. While many people believe that drinking warm water can actually help in weight loss, the theory is not yet scientifically proven. Well, one of the most common morning drinks for detoxifying the body and for weight loss is the warm water, lemon and honey. Even I tried this remedy for 15 to 20 days or almost for a month. I really don't know if it helped in weight loss, but I got a lot of acne or pimple on my face. They were painful, big, and every other day one of them would pop up. Initially, I didn't realize why I was getting a lot of pimples, but soon I also got irregular bowel movements. Then I did a little research and learned that sudden diet change, the warm water, lemon and honey that I was drinking in the morning, can be one of the causes for the acne and irregular bowel movement. Then I stopped drinking this warm water in the morning. But it took a long time, almost 2 to 3 months, for the acne to reduce ultimately. I have never tried drinking cold water the whole day, as it makes my teeth sensitive. But sometimes I drink cold carbonated drinks. Again, I would like to mention that it depends on your skin type and how your body and skin reacts to warm water. You can try for a few days to learn if it suits your body or not. I personally prefer to drink room temperature water every day. It keeps my body hydrated, it quenches my thirst, it detoxifies the body and helps in proper digestion and regulates the bowel movement. And if you really want to drink add some taste, add a few drops of honey to your water in the morning. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'm sure it was a bit informative. If you have any questions regarding the topic, please let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. And I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For health and food related articles, please visit my website at www.alllitefood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.